So we've restored the flute and the case. I've made two previous videos on this. So there's the case now. Looks well, fully restored. It was falling apart when I got it, put new sides on it, and it still looks its age, but it's actually in perfect working order. The flute, which also did not play when I got it, had a number of issues, including threading the joints. Some pads need to be replaced, and of course this crack here, which you can see, I hope, clearly there. So that crack. So the crack has been glued, and obviously the crack is still there. We can fill that up, but I won't fill it until I'm certain it's not going to move or return. So we'll leave that for maybe a month or so, and if there's been no more movement in that crack, I'll just fill it up. So let's listen to see how she plays. Turn this around. Okay. Yeah, so that's a lot better than it was when I got it. I like the tone out of it. You can see I have plenty of flutes here. These would be my three favourite. Sam Murray, an unknown maker, and they'd be my favourite three. This is quite a good flute now.